Hey Abby, what's going on?
Hey Brian, how are you?
I'm good. I'm just at DFW right now. It's Dallas. I'm heading to Abilene.
Oh, you're not in LA anymore?
E24. Okay. No. I'm on the move. I gotta get. Just was in a couple of days in Dallas. Now I gotta go into West Texas. So.
Oh, did you go to
The
Disneyland?
airport. No. When I'm in LA, no. I did not go to Disneyland, Abby. I'm working.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Hey, well, what can you show me today?
What
I
do you
need
need?
a new product demo.
Not gonna happen. I can't. I don't have time, Abby. I gotta go. I gotta get this.
Did you get Snap Maps yet?
What?
Snapchat Maps, so I can track you.
Okay, I'll check it out. Just go to Rack-A-Ville. Okay.
What's Rack-A-Ville?
I'll see you later. I gotta go.
What's Rack-A-Ville?
Okay. No, I'm at the gate. They're called. Oh, damn! I dropped my bag. I gotta go.
Bye, Brian.
Yeah. See ya.